Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make your Pinterest account public. So first is you have to open your Pinterest application on your device. And once you're here, you just have to click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. So this one. Now that you're here, as you can see, this icon indicates that my profile is private. To make this profile public, you just have to click on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then you'd be able to see here different options. Now just click on the profile visibility. And here in the private profile, you just have to toggle the switch off, including the search privacy. And once you've done that, let's go back to our profile and refresh our feed. So let's close this section and then refresh your profile. And as you can see, the icon that indicates that my profile is public has now disappeared. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.